Hi everyone, great to see you last night. I thought that class went really well. I was really happy to see what you could do with your understanding of tenor. And I do realize that we didn't get a chance to answer any of your questions on the LIP, so if you have questions, please email them to me and I will get back to you. Okay, here is Module 3. Deepening understanding of ideational, metafunction, and interpersonal one. Practicing analyzing text for the purpose of identifying language features. This is what you did in class with the vandalizing text. That was kind of what that was about. Then we've got detailed reading, and which is your assignment, and then we also have your theory and theory to practice activity. Okay, so here is the calendar. As you can see, most things are just do at your own pace throughout the week. The exception is the Theory to Practice blog, which over the weekend, we'll finish posting what you did over the weekend. And then Monday or Tuesday, and actually this is open now, so if people post early, you can respond early. Posting a comment on the appreciation Padlet, and I'll show you that in a minute. This was your in-class activity, and something that I can't remember if I mentioned on the first day of class is there always is a in-class activity which has a point value. So this one is 5 points, and so everyone was in class, everyone participated, and so you all get your 5 points. If you are absent, then you lose the 5 points, but you can do a makeup assignment to get those 5 points back. So that's how that works. Okay, here's the Theory to Practice blog. And here's where you have your two options of doing something in your classroom or doing the Have a Go activities from the textbook that I showed you. And then you will create a blog entry to post what you have. And again, it could be a, let's see, it says here, document what you did with photos or videos, or you can just put up a script, say you did a detailed reading. And then like a 1-paragraph description or reflection so we can see what you did. Don't need to spend too much time on this. It's just basically a sharing to give us ideas and to let us know kind of what works, what doesn't work. And then again, any of the chapters that you've read, you can choose one from that. When you do post it, put the page number where you got it from and that this is what you're doing so we can find that. Okay, so this is a link to the Appreciation Padlet. So all you do is you click on this link, and here it is. When you do this on your own in your classrooms, it's just Padlet.com, and you can pick different backgrounds and all this kind of, and you get to do 5 for free. And I just keep deleting old ones. Is how I get away with not paying. Okay, you press on the plus button there, and look, so then you can write something, you can do a photo, you can do a that's something to do with Google, you can upload a file, there's all these little options here. So it's pretty cool. And then it just basically has all the comments right out there. And so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to, like in your title, put whose kind of blog you're appreciating. And then kind of write something about that. And we're going to try to make sure that everyone gets appreciated here. Okay, so again, that's that. And you have to go into the blog to get there. Going back to the module. Okay. This is your detailed reading assignment, and I did put up the other option that I mentioned in class. So choose, and you can look through and see which ones you want to do. Again, the sloth one would carry on. You can add in the dialogical reading for that. This is the one that I was talking about for kind of K2, and it's the Prepare While Reading assignment. And I think that's pretty self-explanatory. This was the handout that I gave you in class about the transitivity, which might help with your detailed reading when you're trying to think of what questions to ask. That would be a good thing to look at. Okay, quizzes. There was one little glitchy thing that was in there that I think I have fixed, so I think you should be able to see your quizzes now. It would be great if you can't, please let me know so we can go further. But here's a little kind of screenshot as to how to do that. This is not the exact number of yours. This is from another class, but this is how you should be able to find it. So again, let me know what's going on with that. Okay. You're also going to want to, I will later, today or tomorrow, I'll grade your discussions, but the icebreaker blogs are all graded. The quizzes are graded according to me. And so with Gradebook, you will see there's a column there. I can't show you because it'll show everyone's grades, but there is a column that has percentage. So if you've received full points for everything so far, you'll have 100 points. Or sorry, the percentage will be 100, and that's a running total. Okay. I look forward to seeing what you do this week, and I will see you in 2 weeks.